How many books are there in the Bible? A. 66, B. 76, C. 56. Hello guys, magandang araw sa inyong lahat. Sasagutin naman natin guys yung katanungan na how many books are there in the Bible? A. 66, B. 76, C. 56. Kaya guys no, sabay-sabay nating alamin kung ilan nga ba ang akda sa buong Biblia. Ito guys, bilangin na natin. Genesis, Exodus, Leviticus, Numbers, Deuteronomy, Joshua, Judges, Ruth, 1 Samuel, 2 Samuel, 1 Kings, 2 Kings, 1 Chronicles, 2 Chronicles, Ezra, Nehemiah, Esther, Job, Psalms, Proverbs, Ecclesiastes, Song of Solomon, Isaiah, Jeremiah, Lamentations, Ezekiel, Daniel, Hosea, Joel, Amos, Obadiah, Jonah, Micah, Nahum, Habakuk, Zephaniah, Haggai, Zechariah, Malachi, Matthew, Mark, Luke, John, Acts, Romans, 1 Corinthians, 2 Corinthians, Galatians, Ephesians, Philippians, Colossians, 1 Thessalonians, 2 Thessalonians, 1 Timothy, 2 Timothy, Titus, Philemon, Hebrews, James, 1 Peter, 2 Peter, 1 John, 2 John, 3 John, Jude, Revelation. Yan guys no, nalaman na natin na ang kabuuan ng Biblia ay mayroong 66 na books. Ang New Testament ay mayroong 27 at ang Old Testament ay mayroong 39. Kaya yan guys no, ang tamang kasagutan ay 66. Kaya guys no, palaging tandaan na naiiba kung mayroon kang kaalaman. Kaya guys, God bless everyone. Maraming salamat sa pakikinig.